like, oh yeah, this is like, I believe in this mantra and this helps me out definitely and so on. It's more like, you know, maybe this mantra and the meaning can help me out, but maybe also just the vibrations help me out, and be a little bit open to that, you know. It's super hard for people that start off with like mantra singing to really see like, oh yeah, what's the value in that even, you know. So we're going to sing this mantra together, and we're going to start slow, and then we're going to speed it up a little bit and taking everything together. So if you like to join in, feel free. If you want to join in, come to a wonderful sit. And we're going to start right now. Feel free to drink another sip of whatever you're drinking. And then it's call and repeat after me. So you're going to repeat after me. Or we're going to repeat together. Let's go. Om. Now repeat. Om. Triambakam. Now repeat. Triambakam. Yachamae. Yachamae. Sugandhim. Sugandhim. Pushti. Pushti. Vardhanam. Vardhanam. Urvaru Kamiva. Urvaru Kamiva. Mandanan. Mandanan. Mrityur. Mrityur. Mukshi. Mukshi. Amamritata. Amamritata. We're going to take more together right away already. So join in again, repeat again after me. Om Triambakam Yachamae. Om Triambakam Yachamae. Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam. Repeat. Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam. Urvarukamiva Bandhanan. Urvarukamiva Bandhanan. Mrityur Mukshiyamamritata. Mrityur Mukshiyamamritata. Okay, let's take all together. Let's take everything together. And sing together with me. We're just going for a round of 3 times. This is a mantra, yes, Josh. This is a mantra. And this is the ultimate healing mantra. It's called Mahamrutyunjaya mantra, as you see in the left corner or in the right corner from your perspective. And we're going to sing everything together 1 more time, 2 more times, 3 more times, 3 more times together. Feel free to join. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the end. Om Triambakam Yachamae. Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam. Urvarukamiva Bandhanan. Mrityur Mukshiyamamritata. Om Triambakam Yachamae. Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam. Urvarukamiva Bandhanan. Mrityur Mukshiyamamritata. Om Triambakam Yachamae. Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam. Urvarukamiva Bandhanan. Mrityur Mukshiyamamritata. And slowly come out of it again. So I like to explain it 1 more time, even if you're not asking. This is the mantra. So a mantra has a meaning. There's a meaning, and then there's a vibrational quality to it. right? And we're having both of these things we're having, right? It's not just one thing, but you can also like connect more to the meaning or connect more to the vibration. That's up to you. But why we're doing this? Why? It's like when you're singing, you're feeling your body differently as we're sitting. You know, maybe you're sitting in a difficult sit and it starts to maybe hurt or something. And then when you're singing, suddenly the pain goes away as you're really focusing on the mantra, right? And the singing. And maybe it's like, you know, it's hard. And what I mean by hard, you need to overcome some barriers, right? And you need to connect to this mantra and really want to sing this mantra. Whatever the mantra is, right? Doesn't really matter. Because there's also the vibrational component in there. And yeah, it's just wonderful and beautiful what kind of insights you get out of mantra singing. What kind of insights you get out of meditation. What kind of insights you can find. And by insights, I mean also like knowledge. Knowledge about your being. Knowledge about your body. And maybe feeling like, oh yeah, wait. I need to open up my belt, for example, so can I breathe deeper, for example, right? And all these kind of insights that you're kind of like getting, or maybe like, oh, I have my shoulders all the way forward all the time, or I don't know what, you know, all these kind of little insights about your body of like, oh, this feels uncomfortable. Why do I sit even like this? Or why do I round my back so much right now? Do I feel sad? Or, you know, kind of like connecting with your body and learning from your body. This is what it's about here. This is why we're singing mantras, or why I sing mantras. And maybe this does make a little bit sense.